Former world snooker champion Graham Dott, suspended over child sex abuse allegations. Graham Dott, the 2006 world snooker champion, has been officially suspended by the World Professional Billiards and Snooker Association (WPBSA) following serious allegations of child sexual abuse. The 47-year-old was removed from this year's World Snooker Championship just days before the event, which begins on April 18th. According to prosecutors, Dott faces two historical charges. The first involves a young girl, allegedly assaulted between 1993 and 1996 in Glasgow. The second charge involves a boy, with incidents claimed to have occurred between 2006 and 2010. One allegation states that Dott instructed the girl to remove her clothing before exposing himself and committing indecent acts. The second accuses him of entering a shower naked while a young boy was present. In an official statement, the WPBSA said, "Graham Dott has been suspended due to a case scheduled to be heard before the High Court in Scotland. While legal proceedings are ongoing, we will make no further comment." This disturbing development has shocked the snooker world and raised serious questions about the future of the former champion.